I studied 50 faceless YouTube channels under 1,000 subscribers. Some were stuck at 10 views, others were quietly pulling hundreds. Same niche, same tools, same faceless setup. The difference wasn't luck. I'm going to show you the exact patterns I saw across the channels that were getting views and the mistakes the others kept repeating. Winning faceless channels don't try to help everyone. They focus on one small problem. Not grow on YouTube. Not make money online. Things like shorts hooks for beginners, faceless videos using only a phone, simple AI tools for lazy creators. Small problem equals clear signal to YouTube. Channels getting views start aggressively. No greetings, no soft music, no explaining. They open with tension. This is why your faceless videos look boring. You're using AI wrong and it's killing your watch time. Viewers stay because they feel called out. This one shocked me. The channels growing fastest repeat the same idea over and over just from different angles. YouTube doesn't want variety, it wants clarity. Same format, same audience, different hook. Their visuals are extremely simple. Text, stock clips, screen recordings. What matters? Something changes every 2-3 seconds. Text supports the voice. No empty visuals. Simple beats fancy. They don't chase views. They chase retention. Their videos feel unfinished on purpose so viewers want the next one. If you want one faceless video format you can copy this week, comment copy. I'll break it down step by step.